Blessings, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we have two Garifuna phrases that you may be familiar with if you're following in some of my previous episodes. So today, since it was rainy and windy here today, in Garifuna, when it's raining heavy or it's raining a lot, you say Hanarimeti Lahuya huya. Hanarimeti Lahuya huya. Or you can also say Weiriti Lahuya huya. Weiriti Lahuya huya. And since it was also windy today, if you can recall from the previous episode, windy in Garifuna is Futi Garabali. Futi Garabali. And not to be outdone, since it's Florida, it was also cold today. And if you can recall, cold in Garifuna is Diligati. Diligati. Thank you so much for tuning in. And as always, Sareme, ayo.